Today we're making Peruvian air-fried plantains with Lúcuma ice cream. It's ready in about 20 minutes and serves 4 people. Let's dive in. First, let's check the ingredients. 4 large scoops of Lúcuma ice cream, about 2 cups. Creamy and fragrant for a true Peruvian touch. 4 medium-ripe plantains, sweet and soft when cooked. 4 tablespoons Algarrobina syrup, deep, caramel-like drizzle. 2 tablespoons melted unsalted butter. For gloss and caramelization, 2 tablespoons brown sugar. Sweetens and browns beautifully. 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon. Warm spice to lift the flavor. A pinch of fine salt. Balances the sweetness. 2 tablespoons chopped pecans. Adds a crunchy finish. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Preheat the air fryer to 390 degrees Fahrenheit and let it heat for 5 minutes. In a small bowl, combine 2 tablespoons brown sugar, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, and a pinch of fine salt until evenly mixed. Peel 4 ripe plantains and slice each one in half lengthwise. Brush the cut sides with 2 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. Sprinkle the cinnamon sugar all over the cut sides and press gently so it adheres evenly. Place the plantain halves cut side up in the air fryer basket in a single layer. If you need more space, cook in batches. Air fry at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 minutes until the tops are bubbling and the edges begin to brown. Flip each piece carefully and air fry for 2 more minutes to finish caramelizing. Transfer the plantains to serving plates and let them cool for 2 minutes. Add 4 large scoops of Lúcuma ice cream, about 2 cups total, over or beside the warm plantains. Drizzle 4 tablespoons of Algarrobina syrup evenly over the ice cream and plantains. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons of chopped pecans on top for crunch. Serve right away while the plantains are warm and the ice cream is creamy. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you loved this Peruvian dessert, tap like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a recipe.